cooking show, Spice Gal. This is your girl, Alexandra Caesar. Today, I drove all the way from Tennessee to the Atlanta Creole Food Festival, and I have my good friend with me, Tara and Corn. They're gonna know what's buzzing today at East Point. Let's go. Nikki, I spotted her from way down here because I smelled something delicious. And she told me, Wagyu, and I said, Wagyu, lady. What are we showcasing today, Chef Nikki?
So we have a coconut bread pudding with a jerk peach compote. So I roasted the peaches with jerk seasoning. Savory, salty, spicy.
Okay.
All in one bite.
Okay, let's go for it. This is the lightest coconut bread pudding I've ever had.
Really?
This is amazing. Very
That's
creamy
awesome.
and not too sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
If the viewers want to go see you, can you tell them?
I'm on Instagram, chef_Nikki_. Follow me, like, all the things.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we are next here with Chef Samara Hewitt, and I saw those delicious desserts. I see the Hummingbird cake and with creamy filling. So we're gonna try that. Would you like to tell the viewers the name of your restaurant?
My business is Peckish. You can find me on 200 Peachtree. Today I have created a Hummingbird trifle. So it has a carrot cake, banana jam, pineapples on top of mascarpone mousse. This one is a Thai basil and strawberry tart. It has a strawberry puree, Thai basil curd, and a cheesecake mousse.
Wow, these are so sophisticated. We're gonna come back and we're gonna try all of them together. We're gonna move into the next food and we'll be right back. All right, you know what? I could not go sit down and eat those desserts with that smell. I smell some ginger right here. I'm with Chef Jose and Chef Marie, and they're going to tell us what they're showcasing today and what's the name of their restaurant.
Our name of restaurant is named I Lounge. This is the difference. We are located in Marietta, Georgia. The address is 40 Dodge Street. Today we present you guys with Haitian tradition, Haitian black rice.
Right.
It goes by jonjon. And we serve it with protein called goat. So pretty much this is one of the best traditions that Haitian have.
Where is the goat?
The goat disappeared because a lot of people asked for it, so we run out.
Well, thank you so much. Again, this is Chef Jose and Chef Marie. Island Restaurant in Marietta, Georgia. They have the best Julie Jonjo someone can cook. Thank you so much. We'll move on. Let's go.
All right, thank you.
We're here at the tasting phase. So we went over many booths and we handpicked one restaurant that was showcasing the black rice and the other restaurant showcasing some dessert. So I have my taster here, Mr. Corn and Tara. Let's see what happens.
Very nice.
This is really seasoned well. Not spicy like the papaya salad. And not fried like your cerullo con queso. My kind of rice. Again, I Lounge rice is the rice.
I love it.
Do you know?
It's a little bit different than my rice because my rice is with some like coconut milk with curry, but this one like a lot of spice.
Oh, so your rice is with coconut milk?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we put a lot of herb like ginger, galangal, garlic, chili. It's more flavorful, but this one another taste, another flavor.
Are you a computer food? He said ginger. What did he say?
Garlic,
ginger, turmeric. He picked up all the spices, but this is why you're here. You know, you just like you can't lie. That's why I have him here. Okay, so Tara, you need to do something. Do better, Tara. That's
My face says it up.
There you go. I don't really eat dessert, but we picked up this from Chef Tamara, and it's so pretty. It has some pineapple finishing touch, but I did not want to mess it up, but I'm gonna have to so I can tell you if I like it or not.
I love this creamy thing. It's so nice.
It's nice.
Yeah. Creamy and
This
tasty.
is very creamy and very light at the same time.
Yeah, right.
So if you guys like creamy stuff, like, you know, not too much calorie count, I think you should hit up Chef Tamara.
Tamara.
Tamara, I'll get her card.
I love it.
All right.
Especially this one. So nice. Just like carrot cake.
Like carrot cake?
This one.
Oh,
the
no.
bottom one. Yeah, the bottom one.
This one doesn't look like it's too rich in calorie. It's very light. Although it's creamy, but it's very light and not too sweet. Not too sweet. So I'm gonna try this one. This is definitely bussing Atlanta. Definitely, these were my two favorite ones today.
Yeah, this also tastes. There's a good smell also inside.
It has a good smell?
Yeah.
What does that
I
mean?
mean, from the fruit,
You know what? I'm gonna take my glasses off. What did you say now?
very nice smell.
It has a nice.
Yeah, this part.
So do you smell the food before you eat it?
No, when you eat it, you can feel it.
Well, if you don't smell your dessert, you know, hit me up because I don't smell my dessert. I just eat it. But corn and terra are different. Looks like they smell their dessert before they eat it. That's something else. Oh, there you go.
Makes more flavorful, makes more aroma.
Oh, more aroma.
It's all your senses.
Yeah.
Oh, even though it's sweet.
Yeah, but you smell it, you taste it, it just
Yeah.
intensifies the flavors.
You guys are weird. But okay, we're gonna agree to disagree. But at the same time, it is tasty. I have to agree on that. Okay. How do you call this one? This dish?
I call it like a deconstructed gumbo.
Deconstructed gumbo it is. Y'all heard it from the best. Deconstructed gumbo. Yes, girl, there you go. This looks amazing.
It's not even done yet.
Wow.
So today I have blackened shrimp with a little bit of crab etouffee, Savannah red rice, a corn relish, and some chicharrones.
Okay, I see rice.
It's going to be topped with crab etouffee, very gumbo-ish kind of tasting.
This is
Like I'm
okay.
born from the South, so a lot of my
Okay.
ingredients are Southern
Okay.
inspired.
Okay.
We have here some blackened prawns,
Okay, I
we
like
don't-
that.
we don't play with the
I like
little
that. I like that.
pork belly
Mm-hmm.
that we're going to add to the side of that. Got a little
Okay.
corn sauce right here. It's not ready yet though.
It's not what?
It's not ready yet.
Oh, it's missing something.
Yes.
Well, excuse me, chef.
I'm sorry. I just want you to have
Sassy
everything.
Robert.
All we're gonna do is add a little bit of dehydrated lemon and then a chicharron. So you get the pork belly and the crunch now.
So I've heard one of your guests say it's a deconstructed gumbo. Is that
Basically,
correct? That's how
yes.
you call it? Okay, so there you go. Chimmy, 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 chimmy. This is definitely bussing.
Appreciate it.
Wow, really, really very rich, not oily. And I'm gonna try your pork. Let's see here. Very seasoned, not salty, and smooth. Thank you so much.
It's no problem. The show's busting today. We're here at Creole Fest 2024. This is the second day, the last day. I'm happy to be able to close this out. Amazing event with amazing chefs, amazing hosts. So
Well,
get
we're
you
glad
ask for
to have
anything
you.
better.
We're
Thank you
glad
so
to
much.
have you. Thank you so much.
Have a good
All right, have a
There
good
you go.
one.
You can follow me in Atlanta.
I'm gonna get everybody's
My
card.
social media is Chef Robert Butts, of course. I am opening up a restaurant in the spring called Black Smoke, which specializes in globally inspired cuisine. So check me out.
And we're gonna have the first table VIP, correct?
Yes.
You better.
You
I'm
already
gonna
know.
pull up.
You
You
already
know
know.
that. All right. Okay, guys, I know I said the other chef was the last stop, but I got dragged here at Chef Day's booth, and her pate smells so good. Did I
Thank you
mention
so
she's
much.
from Haiti? She is
Haiti.
from Haiti. Haiti all the way.
Yes,
so,
yes.
Chef Day, thank you so much for being on Spice Gal Cooking Show. Could you please tell the viewers a little bit about your pate and where you're located?
Hi everybody, my name is Chef Day. I am Haitian born, Cap-Haïtien, but I live here in Atlanta. I'm a private chef and a caterer. I own a boutique catering firm called Dine with Day.
Dine with Day, I love that.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. So right here we have, so I'm a savory chef at heart, but I wanted to do a pastry. I wanted to do something very easy, but also impactful. In Haiti, we love a pate. We love street food.
Oh my God, who you
so
telling?
I wanted to bring that to the forefront. So right here we have some Haitian pate with a Wagyu beef. So Wagyu beef is like the top type of beef that you can have. It's fed a really great lean.
It's the aristocracy of
aristocrat,
pate.
the top at the top. And so we have it marinated really beautifully with some epis and some citrus. On top, we have a little bit of pickles, which, as you know, pickles, pickled cabbage, onion, scotch bonnet. It's delightful. It's refreshing.
Okay. And
Second
then
into the taste. So you can find me on Instagram via Chef Day _ so that's Chef DAY _ or my business page, Dine with Day. Also, my website, dinewithday.com. You can also find me on local news in Atlanta on Fox 5. I have a monthly segment where I cook and show you some beautiful gourmet dishes that you can make on your own.
This is amazing.
Yes.
We're so grateful that we're here
It's my
today.
pleasure.
And I'm gonna have my co-host. He's very skeptical, you know. If he doesn't like you, he's gonna tell you. He's so honest.
And I appreciate it. As a Virgo, I welcome the criticism.
So this is the ragu pate.
Ragu
And
pate.
this one is
This is the full size version,
oh,
but
full
this
size,
is
the half
but
size
this is
version.
it. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
so
the half size
we're each
version.
gonna grab one.
Yeah, try
Gonna
it.
grab one. Go chef there. Go chef there.
I
Go
appreciate
chef there.
y'all.
Go chef there.
Y'all
Go.
are so sweet.
Ready?
Yep.
All right. This is amazing. It's so light. Usually the pate are so heavy and greasy, but this one is so light and still
I appreciate it. That's
very
fine.
well seasoned. I'm gonna try your pickles. I don't know, I'm kind of scared because pickles is so spicy.
That one's not too spicy.
Not too spicy?
Yeah,
It's
I
like
kept it a little. I kept it a little neutral, not too spicy.
Oh my God. OMG.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
yes.
Yes, I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Spice Gal Cooking Show is busting.
There you go.
Tune in
We'll
every
be
time.
back. My
All right,
show
y'all.
is dope.
All
I'm
right,
out.
y'all.
Thank you. Nice to meet
It's a
you.
pleasure to meet you as well, babe.
All right.
No, it's very tasty also. It's very unique.
It's very unique.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But maybe I'm from Asian country. Whatever we cook, we put more herb, more spicy ingredient.
So you saturate it with herbs and
Yeah.
spices and make it spicy. So it will be better if it was spicy.
So maybe a little spicier or more ginger, more garlic.
More
So-
ginger, more garlic. Just like you want me to be skinny like this one? I'm
already skinny.
I'm already skinny?
Yes.
Okay, absolutely at the end of our Spice Gal Cooking Show, we are at the Atlanta Creole Food Festival. Thanks to one very special person, this gentleman right here I just met. Fabrice is an amazing guy. He came to say hi to me, and we wanted to tell him thank you for having us. And you know, you hosted an amazing cooking festival today. Is there something you would like to tell the viewers?
Yeah.
The floor is yours.
I appreciate it. First and foremost, thank you so much for coming and supporting us. That's the first thing. I would like to thank our sponsors, Hummingbird Tequila and Uncle Nearest, for actually making it possible. All the incredible chefs that were featured. As a Creole Festival, what we do is that we feature the most award-winning black and brown chefs.
Wow.
So what we do,
Did you do that? Did
the
you do
most
that?
award-winning celebrity black and brown chefs. In
There you
addition to
go.
that, what we do as well is that we connect the diaspora. So whether you call it Creole, you call it Creole, you call it Criollo, you call it Criolu, you call it Garifuna, you call it Gulagichi, that's what we do because we connect Africa, the Caribbean.
As long as it's busing.
Yeah, as long as it's
That's
Creole,
the word of the day.
as long as it's Creole, because
Creole.
like it connects the diaspora. So
Right.
Africa, the Caribbean, Latin America, South America, and the South of
Central
the earth.
America.
That's part of it
All
too.
together today.
All together, baby. We're celebrating they call it unity, diversity, and inclusion.
There you go.
Spice Gal Cooking Show is dope. Thank you so much,
you
love.
so much.
Appreciate you.
All right, appreciate it. So we're going to check out. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your girl, Alexandra Caesar. This is my channel, Spice Gal Cooking Show. My show is dope. And Corn, we're going to have a talk
Okay.
after this.